So, Manish, I just want to know, you are a school-going student, college-going student, job holder, professional, businessman. What do you do for a living?
I am a school-going student. I study in 9th class.
Oh, you study in 9th standard. So, Manish, I will be asking you some sentences that you have to answer. Are you ready to answer my questions?
Yes, sir, I am ready.
Okay, but before this, let me know, Manish, are you enjoying this particular spoken English course with Persona?
Yes, sir, I am enjoying this course.
Okay, okay. Now I'm going to ask you so many sentences. मैं इंग्लिश सीखना चाहता हूँ.
I want to learn English.
I want to learn English. मैं नहीं जानता आप मैं नहीं जानता कि आप क्या जानते हो.
I don't know what you know.
Excellent. I don't know what you know. क्या आपको पता है मैं क्या जानता हूँ?
Do you know what I know?
Do you know what I know? Do you know what I know? क्या आप इस काम में मेरी मदद करोगे?
Will you help me in this work?
Will you help me in this work?
This work.
Okay. क्या आप वहां जाओगे?
Will you go there?
क्या आप बोलोगे जो मैं बोल रहा हूं?
Will you speak what I am speaking?
Will you speak what I am speaking? मैं नहीं बोलूंगा जो आप बोल रहे हो.
I will not speak what you are speaking.
I will not speak what I am speaking. मुझे लिखने दो.
Let me write.
Let me write. मैं आपको लिखने नहीं दे सकता.
I can't let you write.
I can't let you write. मैं आपको बोलने नहीं दे सकता.
I can't let you speak.
I can't let you speak. मुझे बोलने दो.
Let me speak.
मुझे कॉलेज जाने दो.
Let me go to college.
क्या आप मेरे बारे में कुछ जानते हो?
Do you know anything about me?
क्या मैं आपके बारे में कुछ जानता हूँ?
Do I know anything about you?
क्या यह आपका पेन है?
Is this your pen?
क्या आप मेरी मदद करोगे इस काम में?
Will you help me this work?
मुझे नहीं पता आप क्या कह रहे हो.
I don't know what you are saying.
मैं नहीं सोचता.
I don't think.
बोलो जैसा मैं बोल रहा हूँ.
Speak as I am speaking.
मैं आपके जैसे नहीं बोल सकता. आप एक अच्छे स्पीकर है.
I can't speak as like you. You are a good speaker.
I cannot speak like you as you are a good speaker. Wow, Manish, that's great, dear. You translated very well. I appreciate your efforts. And let me know for how many days you've been attending this particular session.
Yes, sir. I have been attending this particular session since beginning, sir.
Since beginning, you have done 23 months with Persona. Yes.
And I believe, sir, I can speak this, but I have been Hindi medium student since beginning. That's why my vocabulary is very big.
Okay. In your school, do you talk in English?
No, sir.
You don't talk in English.
No one can speak English.
No one knows English there. Okay, yes, fine. Sir. And being a student of Hindi medium, yes, now you are able to speak English. That's appreciating job, Manish. I appreciate your efforts. That's great.
And most of those they ask me that with whom do you teach English? Please tell me the name of the teacher. But I don't tell him.
Okay, तो उनको बताओ भाई कि पर्सोना के स्टूडेंट हो यार. सीक्रेट सबको पता चलना चाहिए ना, तो वो लोग भी फिर इस कोर्स का फायदा उठाएंगे. वो लोग भी जुड़ेंगे.
No sir.
अच्छा.
No sir, I can't ever tell him.
Why?
Why? Because I also want to become a teacher. That's why I want to teach him.
Oh my God, Manish, I like it. So Manish doesn't want to disclose the name of the students, doesn't want to disclose the name of the teacher and institute, but that's okay, Manish. It's your mindset. Yeah. I like it. Okay. Chalo, Manish, that's great. Now we have the next participant, Poonam Mehra. पूनम मेहरा जी, स्वागत है आपका.
हेलो सर, गुड इवनिंग सर.
गुड इवनिंग. मिस पूनम मेहरा, मिसेस पूनम मेहरा.
मिसेस पूनम मेहरा.
यस मैम. वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम?
आई एम फ्रॉम दिल्ली, नजफगढ़ सर.
Okay, so ma'am, I just want to ask you so many sentences. I want to know how you are going to translate it. So are you ready to speak all these sentences confidently in English?
Yes.
Okay, let's get started. बोलो जो कुछ भी आपको बोलना हो.
Speak whatever you want to speak.
Speak whatever you have to speak या whatever you want to speak. जो कुछ भी आपने कहा मैं सुन नहीं पाया, क्या एक बार आप रिपीट करेंगे इसे?
Whatever you said, I couldn't listen.
Oh, will you please repeat it?
Will you please repeat it?
जो मैंने एक बार बोल दिया वो बोल दिया, मैं कोई भी चीज दोबारा नहीं बोलूंगा. जो मैंने एक बार बोल दिया.
But whatever I have said once, I will.
Whatever I have spoken once, जो मैंने एक बार बोल दिया वो बोल दिया. Whatever I have spoken once, I have spoken. मैं दोबारा नहीं बोलूंगा.
I will not speak it again.
I will not speak it again. I think your baby is there. He and she is disturbing you. So are you comfortable to speak?
Yes, sir.
Okay. मैं इंग्लिश सीखना चाहता हूँ.
I want to learn English.
मुझे इंग्लिश सीखने दें.
Let me speak English.
Let me learn English. मैं इस बोर्ड को अभी क्लीन नहीं करूंगा.
I will not clean this room now.
I will not clean this board now. मैं वहां 10 मिनट बाद जाऊंगा.
I will go there after 10 minutes.
मुझे वहां जाने में 2 घंटे लगेंगे, लेकिन आपको 4 घंटे लगेंगे.
It will take. It will
मुझे
take 2 hours.
I will
Okay,
take.
I will take 2 hours to go there, and you will take 4 hours to go there.
But you will take 4 hours to go there. मुझे वहां जाने में 4 घंटे क्यों लगेंगे और आपको 2 घंटे क्यों लगेंगे? ऐसा क्यों?
Why will it take 4 hours to me to go there?
Why will I take 4 hours to go there? And why will you take 2 hours? Why will you take only 2 hours to go there? Why so? ऐसा क्यों?
Why so?
ऐसा क्यों को क्या कहेंगे इंग्लिश में?
Why so?
Why so? एक्चुअली ऐसा इसलिए क्योंकि आप है ना बहुत धीरे जाओगे, इसलिए आपको टाइम लगेगा.
That's because you will go.
That is so. Yeah, it's so because you will go very slowly. That is why. Okay.
That is why you will take.
आपको किसने कहा मैं धीरे जाऊंगा?
Who said to you that I will go slowly?
Who told you I will go slow? I would go slow. आपको वहां नहीं जाना चाहिए जहां मैं जा रहा हूं.
You should not go where I am going.
You should not go there where I am going. एक बार फिर से बोले. मुझे नहीं पता.
You should not go there where I am going.
मुझे नहीं पता वो कहाँ रहता है, लेकिन वो इंदौर में कहीं रहता है.
I don't know where he is living, but he is living somewhere in Indore.
Okay, I don't know where he lives. वो कहाँ रहता है? But वो इंदौर में कहीं रहता है. But he lives somewhere in Indore. Somewhere in Indore. क्या आप मुझे कॉलोनी का नाम बता सकते हो? वो किस कॉलोनी में रहता है?
Can you tell me the name of the colony where he lives?
In which colony he lives? मुझे नहीं पता वो कौन सी कॉलोनी में रहता है.
I don't know in which colony he lives.
मुझे सिर्फ इतना पता है कि वो इंदौर में कहीं रहता है, इसके अलावा मुझे कुछ नहीं पता.
I only know that he lives in Indore.
Except this.
I don't know anything.
Apart from this, I don't know anything else.
I don't know anything about.
क्या आप बिजी हो?
Are you busy?
क्या आप 2 दिन से बिजी हो?
Have you been busy for 2 days?
मैं 2 दिन से बिजी था.
I had been busy for 2 days.
Oh wow, that's great, Poonam ma'am. You have translated very well. We just want to know about your qualification. What you have completed?
Actually, sir, I'm lecturer, political science. I teach 11th and 12th standard students.
Okay, that's great. That's great. And with the persona, for how many days you have been attending the class, and have you improved yourself with this particular course?
Yes, of course. Yes, sir. Of course, I have improved a lot, and now I'm able to speak in English. Sir, when I joined your institute online, my first aim was that I want to speak in English with my daughter's teacher when I go to attend her PTM. And now last Saturday, I went to attend her PTM, and I speak with her teacher in English and very confidently. And thank you so much, sir. It's just because of you.
No, ma'am. It is your hard work and dedication that you have been regular. You have put your 100% efforts. You know what? Because getting an online course and attending it regularly, there are 2 different things actually. Any Tom and Harry can get the course. You know, but attending the class regularly live, practicing, putting 100% efforts. You know what? It is really a difficult job, but you did it, and that's why you are able to speak. So I salute your dedication towards learning. That's great.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.